Check it out, the Lexus GS Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. We support the GS starting in 2012, going all the way through 2020. We have two types of products for the GS. This is the conversion kit. That means it's a complete replacement screen that has CarPlay and Android Auto built into it. It also allows you to load external apps onto the device. That makes it more powerful than even the newest vehicles out there. For a less expensive option, we have the Hamilton Upgrade Kit. It's a small metal box that would install behind your factory radio, and that one puts CarPlay onto your factory screen. I'll show you through some of the features today. This screen is fully touchscreen. It's beautiful and it's the same size as your factory screen. The GS is one of my favorite Lexus vehicles. Making new infotainment in this system is an absolute game changer. It makes the car feel so much better. No matter which music app you use, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and cover art. The factory mouse works great. It's so convenient. Of course, the same goes for Maps apps. No matter which Maps app you use, you can have easy access to it in CarPlay. It looks much nicer than the factory Lexus Maps, and Siri will read your directions.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater. Head north on Corporation Parkway.
Our system uses the factory microphone for every GS. That means phone calls and text messages work easily, and phone calls sound great as well. I'll give a phone call now. Call Noah.
Calling Noah Robbins.
Hey Puma, I'm calling you from a Lexus GS.
How you doing, Dave?
I'm doing great. Let me tell you, this is one of my absolute favorite Lexus vehicles. It has a V8 engine. They absolutely never should have stopped making it. It's a big car that looks awesome, and I'm really excited about our system. Do I sound good?
Crystal clear, Dave.
Man, you got to trade in that Land Rover and come get a Lexus.
Will do, Dave.
Alrighty, Puma. Have a great one. Have a good weekend.
You're the man. We'll talk soon.
Later. I'll take you back to the home screen real quick. A quick press of the menu button will bring you to the underlying Hamilton operating system. Here is where you can load external apps. This means you can put apps onto this device that are not available in CarPlay and Android Auto. Any app with a Google Play Store component will be able to be loaded onto the Hamilton conversion kit. It makes our system, like I said, more powerful than even the newest Lexus vehicles. It's super awesome. It's also touchscreen. If you're in CarPlay, you can easily shift your car to reverse. The backup camera will come up, just like the factory system. Going back to park brings you right back into CarPlay, just like a brand new car. Of course, the steering wheel controls work as well, volume up and down. If we change the temperature, you'll see this pop up off to the right here that has our temperature information in CarPlay. After a few seconds of not touching the temperature, it hides away. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds will bring you back to the original system. Our Hamilton conversion kit allows you to preserve all of your factory features. With our kit, we have a small speaker that you install behind the factory radio. That speaker will talk from Waze or Google Maps or Apple Maps if you want to use factory satellite, FM or AM radio and have CarPlay be able to share information like turn-by-turn instructions. That makes our system much different than some of the cheap systems on the market that haven't mastered how to do that. Long holding that menu button for 3 more seconds will bring you back to the new Hamilton system. This system has both wired and wireless CarPlay as well as Android Auto. It's backed by the Hamilton guarantee. That means a top-of-the-line 3-year warranty. We'll take care of any questions or needs you might have. Give us a call at 919-858-2890. We'll be happy to chat with you more about this kit before, during, or after your installation. My name is Dave, and we appreciate your business.